The interior is a whole nother animal. You have carbon fiber, you have plastics, you have leather, glass, all sorts of different things that require attention and cleaning. Just like the outside, it's good to maintain your interior atmosphere, if you will. So, okay, so for those who not were poking fun, but making comments about the paper mats that I use, check this out. This thing is wrecked. And this is a bad kind of example, but I mean, all that would have been released on my mats, which, yeah, I understand they're mats. Usually I don't let them get this bad, to be honest. I understand that they're mats and they're made to, hold on to the dirt. But if I can make, again, bring back the whole maintenance thing, if I can make my cleaning life easier, I'm going to. And by having that little, piece of paper in there that absorbs water, holds onto the sand, and I can simply remove it and put in another one, that'll save me a lot of time. However, I let it get not bad, but not really acceptable to me. So this is gonna be up for some cleaning. So sometimes what I'll do is I'll take out the mat and I'll just take it out of the ground, I'll hose it off, scrub it. Sometimes all it needs is a simple vacuum. This one's pretty dirty, so I don't normally do this, but I'm gonna leave it in there only because I'm short on time. Take some cleaner, I'm gonna agitate it, I'm gonna suck it all up. So what I have here, I've been trying this stuff out. Where's my brush? One sec, oh, it's right here. I've been trying this stuff out. This stuff is, I don't know how to even pronounce that. Jeep Trackhawk. It's kind of a tri-clean. It's it actually does antibacterial. Yeah, see, it kills 99.9% of bacteria. It's a natural cleaner, absorbs odors, things like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come in here. I'm gonna spray this down. And I'm just gonna take my wheel brush. Let me get the camera at a better angle. Take my wheel brush and I'm just gonna agitate. Is that better? Yeah, that's better. So I'm gonna take this cleaner, spray down some of the mat. Hopefully you can see. I'm just gonna agitate the areas that need to be cleaned. And again, you guys saw that paper mat and how filthy that was. I don't typically let it get that bad, but life's been pretty busy here for me. So it got that bad. Try this left-handed. Scrub all that down. I'm gonna take my vacuum and I'm just gonna suck all this up. Hopefully it's as easy as I thought it sounded. So same vacuum I used to suck up the water in the garage. Okay, so that worked out pretty good. Since I'm done with this exterior towel, and all I need to do is essentially tap or pat dry the area I just cleaned, I'm going to use this towel. And in theory, all that cleaner should have been thick enough to where it sucked up most, if not all, of the sand. So I shouldn't be picking up too much sand with this towel. A little bit of residue left behind, a little bit of salt. Stuff gets everywhere. So in that case, I'll just go through the vacuuming process one more time. All right, so that's the mat. I'm going to take a new paper mat here. Some more crap over here. And I'm going to replace it because that area is clean. Next, I'm just going to do this quick. We can call this video a quick or a basic interior detail. I absolutely love this Zano Z9. It's called Leather Soft. The way it smells and just what it does to your leather is very nice. So let me stack this up. So here, sometimes I'll spray down and I'll agitate with a brush. But since I'm just doing a basic clean, I'm just going to do a basic wipe down then. Spray on all the leather surfaces. Typically I would also spray it on my towel, but I'm just trying to do this quick. This just is going to get the surface oil, dust, dander, whatever else falls off your body, off the surface of the leather and into the towel. You don't want the stuff to dry, so you want to work fairly quick. I mean, it's not going to dry in 30 seconds that I had it on here, but I just don't want that residue. So this stuff is, it doesn't leave your leather oily. It doesn't make it greasy to the touch. It gives it a real nice, I guess like soft matte finish. I'll take the residual, just wipe it on other parts of the dash and steering wheel. I have coated this dash with that Jeep Trackhawk stuff. So it does have some UV protection to it. Do the same thing. So from here I'll spray the towel and wipe it on the door. Stuff's not going to hurt your plastics if you end up getting it on there. I like to pay a lot of attention to right here because sometimes, as you're getting in or out, your foot will clip that part. I've seen actually tears happen in vehicles from people's feet. Happened in my car, not for me, but the place I brought it to shall remain nameless. They weren't too careful with their feet, so they ended up tearing my door panel. All right, so I'm going to go around. Actually, that's done. So I'm not going to clean the glass. It just doesn't need it. Yes, that's done for the basic interior clean. So, all right, so I'm going to do the same thing, but in the back. This area has not been sat in. I'm just going to give it a wipe down. Just to maintain it so it stays nice. God, this stuff smells so good. It smells like what a new like Porsche smells like. If you guys are Ever smell one of those? This has that new, like, rich leather scent to it. It was cheap, you know, knockoff. Not knockoff, I shouldn't say that, but cheap, like quick things you could do to get the same scent, like spray your carpet with like a leather scent for interior, but that doesn't actually do anything besides cover up, you know, what's already there. This stuff will actually eliminate odors and protect and soften the leather at the same time. All right. Let's come over here. So this area, this right here has been sat in. So I should probably grab the vacuum. Yep. You see, so my oldest son, he sat in here. You see the mat? It's gotten some crap on it, but I'm gonna reuse that mat. I'm actually gonna throw that in the driver's seat. But the WeatherTechs are still in really good shape, nice and clean. So I'm gonna grab the vacuum, suck up what little bit of shit is on there. All right. Basically, everything that was on there was just sand that fell off of that paper mat. See, so he went in this car twice. And you can see how that paper mat did a pretty good job protecting it. So I'm gonna do the same thing over here. I'm just gonna do this quick spray. I've done any dander or dust, or I bring my dogs to work like I mentioned. Once in a while you get a little dander from them. So he knows to get out of the vehicle in a certain way, my son that is. And there's no foot marks here or anything. So it's still clean from when I protected it. And actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that mat that I just took out, put that in the driver's seat, and I'll take that fresh one from the driver's seat and put that back there, because this is just going to get ruined tomorrow anyway. Okay. Yeah, looks good. Smells good. Okay. Next. Again, I know I'm going pretty fast, but it's okay. All right, same thing up here. The mat is just slightly dirty. This is what the paper looks like, and that's what the mat looks like. So I'm gonna actually take this, shove it over on the driver's side, so I have two of them there. Vacuum this junk out quick. know I've said this several times now, but this is just proof as to what, like, you know, truly maintaining your car can do. Yeah, I don't need to spend, I mean, granted, I don't have a ton of people ever really in my cars, besides for myself, but this just shows, you know, what maintaining it does. You know, all it takes is a quick wipe and dipe, and she's good to go. Grab a fresh paper mat. Alright. Yeah, you'll notice Feldman Imports is on here. My family and I are a really great customer of theirs. Joe and Don and them up there are really great guys, so they always send me these mats because they know how OCD and anal I am about the interior. Granted, I'm sure they'd rather have them be in a Mercedes car, but the Mercedes car doesn't have 707 horsepower, all-wheel drive, remote start, and costs 100 grand. Okay, so yeah, there's a little bit of dust on here. You know, I throw mail, I go to the post office daily. I always throw the mail on here, so you know, a little bit of dust from the paper. And that's it. Eventually I will make a video about, you know, what I do and don't. What I don't like about this video or about this car is going to be a lot shorter list than what I do like. It's a really outstanding all-around car. So, okay, hopefully that wasn't too long of a video. Just basic interior cleaning, vacuuming, wiping things down, things like that. You know, the driver's side was the only real dirty one. So, okay, I'm gonna call tonight. It's 11:15. I get up for work in the morning. You guys have any questions or comments? Feel free to comment below. If you have anything else you want to see, again, comment down below. Yeah, I'm excited for some more future videos. You know, it's February, Minnesota. I'll get my bike out. Excited for that. But we'll get some of those exotic cars out. I should get that Camaro. Hopefully by May. The guy building it, you're not gonna be able to see this, but sent me a video of it running. I'm so excited for this car. It's insane. So I'm gonna film that when that comes in. I was thinking about heading down there. He's in Tulsa. Paying them a visit before it's done. Any last minute tweaks, but so stay tuned for that future video. Yeah, okay, I don't know what else. Appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for more things. Thanks.